I always wait for cars. This one I knew, this neighbor I knew. But sometimes you can't see into the car, so I just wait. So let's see what we got going on tonight. I got some new toolboxes I purchased. I mean, they're used, but new for me anyway. They're sitting on the trailer here and need to be unloaded. That's what we're gonna do. And so we're gonna pull around here and go on this little incline and bring the pallet jack, run up the ramp, and get those things off the trailer. Yep. So I came in late last night, so that's why I just parked it over here. Usually I don't leave stuff out in the open. Oh well, hold on. That's not gonna work. Got the park brake on the trailer. I do. Yeah, it's not that heavy. Here we go. I don't know if I can do it in one swing or not. Yep, not gonna work. Gotta back up some. That should do it. Cleared the corner. Just parking it on the incline. A little ways down. All right. Yeah, put the park brake back on. I don't really trust it when it's sitting on an incline, even though never had any problems. All right, that's good enough. Those two boards come in handy, let me tell you. So it's just those two boards, and I put a little box up underneath, and the drill, I got the drill out there because I put those two screws in here so they're not going to slide back on me. And yeah, I'll put another strap on this one. This one didn't have a strap around the box and the pallet, so if I roll down it doesn't come off if anything happens. Let's get the pallet jack. Oops. New addition to the barn. Planning on putting the big tools in here. Look at all these fancy drawers. Those things are solid. So let's put those straps away. Some people say I overdo it with straps, but neighbors are coming home. I always wait for cars. This one I knew, this neighbor I knew. But sometimes you can't see into the car, so I just wait. Not knowing who's in it. I don't care. Maybe some people get confused, who the heck was that? When they see me waving. So, those are all rolled up. Let's bring it back down. I don't need to unhook this. What am I doing? Just need to open up this valve and down it comes. A lot easier than pumping it up, even though that wasn't hard. All right. I got that done. It's all back together. Everything's unloaded. Trailer's looking good. Let's walk around, check everything. Gonna go park it, put the brake down this time around. Mouth shut. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, I like the way it looks. Just no overlap in the car. Let me shut this passenger door. And then I'm gonna swing around and back it into here. The trailer's home. All right, Arusa. Hopping on in. Let's swing around the block and detach the trailer from the mothership before it gets dark. Sometimes a little tricky coming home late, trying to back into the dark spot. So here it is, what we're doing. Just looping around here. This is going to be a little bit of a tight squeeze. One's coming down. All right, all clear. Pretty damn close to the fence. Yeah, made it, made it. Drive straight up and back it in front of the wash house. Home sweet home. Mailbox looks a little crooked. Last winter took its toll on it. Alright, straighten out. I usually can't do it in one swoop, but sometimes if I luck out, we'll see. We get to know right away how I do. Trying to bring it around the last thing. Let me check. It's always good to check. We're looking okay. It is okay if I run into the bushes a little bit. I do not want to back it off the wall. Alright. Let's see if that works. Yeah, that's good enough. I just want to leave enough room so I can put the car right next to it. So. Alright. Park brake on. Double check. Had to put another strap on the red box before I took it off, and yeah, I usually give it a little twist, and some people go like, why are you doing this? Just leave it all straight. But in this case it doesn't matter at all because I just rolled it off the bed of the truck. But when I go for a long haul, sometimes, you know, it starts buzzing, and if it has a little twist, it doesn't start buzzing on you. That's how I do it. So this is it for tonight. Thanks for spending the evening with me. Let's have a last look at the new addition. 2 big toolboxes, one with 2 huge drawers and another one with a bunch of long ass drawers. So let's call it quits. I'm excited. It's always a good thing to have. They're solid. They're old-timey Lista boxes. So, oh, look who shows up. How you doing, Izzy? Huh? There's some action in the barn. What are you meowing? Want some food? I'm gonna go feed the kitties before I leave town. All right, let's wrap it up and shut off all the lights, take a shower, head out of town. Thanks for watching.